Shout out Sobimus. Thank you, Sir Dan. So you own store at work or work it? No, I'm working only, Sir Dan. How I wish I have my own store someday. I'm a poor man, oy. I don't have store. Thank you, silent viewers. Thank you, 5 viewers. Thank you so much. Give me for Vivis